3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, boys and girls.
There was a bird there. Oh, see, he flipped me off back. All right, where we at?
So, as I'm
Finishing up the driver's side.
here, let's get a little bit of light in here.
You're finishing on the driver's side.
I know, right? Here you go.
All right, look at you.
So we're getting there. Need to get some J-nuts
You're good.
and need to get some more screws that are proper. Just don't have enough because of all the
Hack shit.
$15 an hour guy. I'll leave it at that.
Amongst other things.
So, I know, right? I think that was about as subtle as I could get.
Andre's here being backup vocals.
So I'm going over the
couch
wiring.
down real nice.
Yeah. Going over the wiring, just making sure everything's fitting into place like it needs to be, tucking things up, putting them in their holders, and went, okay, well,
Right there, man.
yeah, I mean, it's there. Figure, here's the
Ignition
microphone.
switch wiring, that's about it. And then everything else gets tucked up. Oh, yeah,
Here's
the mic.
the mic
We showed that yesterday, getting
and
routed.
the speakers.
Yeah,
So not a problem, great.
that's all gravy. That's extra.
And I'm looking, going, the brake light switch just doesn't quite look right.
Oh, it's at like a 45-degree angle. Hold on. Ooh, there it is. It's focusing now. No, it's not you. Fucking piece of shit. Not you, the phone. I mean, oh, there it is. Oh, perfect. Oh, yeah, that's nicely fucked. I'll get one of these coming. The Zone's got those. They should be coming.
So
You're so out of
I'm
focus,
looking.
Scotty. There you are. Okay.
I'm looking, going, the bracket's just not right. The entire bracket is bent and twisted.
Ooh, can I see it?
So that's why,
Can I see it?
yeah, I'll move in just a second. That's why this is like this.
It's tapered.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really bad. So I'm going to do this so you can see.
And I'll get in there and look.
I'll let you take a peek.
Ooh.
I don't know if you'll be able to see it.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yep,
Oh, that's conveniently fucked.
so I've got to try and bend that.
All that shit's
Straighter.
fucked off. Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's
Oh, my
still got a lot of wire tucking to do. And
But the wiring down here looks pretty good. I mean, we're pretty well routed.
yeah.
I know I got to do a couple little things here, but we're pretty damn close, boys and girls, in this department.
Yes. And I'll pull the battery out in just a minute so we can put that on charge.
Yeah, I want to put that on charge because tomorrow we're going to attempt to fire. We're going to check things and attempt to fire. But, all right, what else did you find this morning, Scotty, other than what's already on your video from earlier?
Well, yeah, it's figure. We need more J-nuts.
Yeah.
We don't have enough.
Yeah,
More proper screws.
Yeah.
So that the fit and finish will be as good as possible.
hardware store mission.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go tomorrow morning. I'll have to wait till it actually opens because I'm here way before they open.
Yeah.
Get that taken care of so we can get some more proper ones because I need black and I need chrome to fit in their proper places.
Duct routing we discussed already.
Yep, I've got I said something on the
Okay,
earlier
we're good.
video. I've
Then
got
we
to
don't need to
move
cover now.
the controller for the AC so that I can put the ductwork the ductwork box in and start routing everything.
And we got to get that mounted. And of course, the mounting tabs they don't jive with our mounting tabs on ours. Cause
Yep. Everything was jacked up in this car before. Our present owner that owns it has it. I
didn't get lucky.
No, and it's unfortunate
I'm gonna
because
close
it's
this
a
gently.
beautiful fucking car.
It is. I love it.
I mean, everybody that comes in, it's one of the first things they say is, "Oh my god."
They're like, oh my God, whose vet is that?